This is about 1.5 billion Global Fund Greening Alliance, GGA UK, gone to waste. The funding by the GGA, United Kingdom, under the auspices of Restore Africa, have been a waste and fraud. The restoration, which was majorly in Narok, Baringo and Migori, as I understand, stopped 2 months ago due to negative impact on the ground and suspicious fraudulent. The tree nurseries, which were the main sources, we demand the buying of our seedlings, respect and honor of our labor. We also demand the arrest of fraudsters and exploiters. Today, we stand before you to address a matter that strikes at the heart of Africa's environmental future and the dignity of its people. Actually, you can even see around, these are the podocarpus, these are the extinct species, especially in the Mau. The timber has been cut, and you cannot even find some 40-50 years old trees again. These are trees which rise the tallest in the forest, and also you can see the others are Juniperus procera. These are the red cedar or pencil wood. These are trees which can grow very fast, just like any other, if they are nurtured with love. These are the trees which we were ordered to actually propagate. We have the Olea africanus, we have the Olea capensis, we have the Kabachia capensis. These are trees that are not found, but we can restore them back with dignity and love.